Yeah.
Really?
Yes, it's a classic. It's a classic love song. You're gonna sing your favorite. Destiny.
I am not gonna break into song for my maid of honor speech.
Okay, so what is your solution, smartass?
I don't know. Maybe I'll make a run for it.
Ah, shout Tumi Khaya.
What does that even mean?
Sencho. Yaziuba uthethwa kuyabaleka.
Why do I get the feeling we're not talking about the speech anymore?
Mna anakuthuka nxa lobaleka because you ran out on me, right?
It was just that one night.
Then you fucked off to Cape Town. That was that.
You just lost your mom. And you were vulnerable. You needed something to take your mind off things.
Yanbuzo okanye ndiqhelele.
You fuck everyone, Khaya. That's your brand.
Now.
Exactly. So how's I supposed to take that one night seriously?
Because mna nawe thina besiyazi. Our friendship hasn't been the same since. And I hate that.
Me too.
So itini do. I'm just gonna talk to him.